Hey guys, welcome back to my small engine repair channel. Welcome also to my new members and subscribers. I appreciate your support. Anyway, today I want to make a video to show you the Tach that I've been using in my shop here for the last decade. This is a fairly inexpensive Tach. It runs on a 9-volt battery, which lasts quite a few years before you have to replace it. So what I'll do in the video here is show you how to use it, but first I will give you a brief close-up overview of this Tach. Okay, here it is. It's model ES328 EasyTach Plus. I bought this, I think, like over 10 years ago. Now, the setting that I use on this Tach is the 2:1. This setting here. This setting works perfectly on 2-cycle and 4-cycle engines. So I always leave it at that. I don't change the settings. You can change your settings through here. See, 2.1, 2.4, 4.1. So I'll leave it at 2.1. RPMs will come up over here. This is where you plug in your little cord that comes with it here. Now you can take the reading by just putting the Tach with this part here right on the spark plug wire, or you can plug this in right here and attach this to the spark plug wire of the engine you're checking the RPMs on. I normally just get by using this without the cord. I find it a lot easier. Eventually it does shut off on its own. And like I said, the battery lasts for years in this little Tach. I'll just show you the battery in here. You'll need a small Phillips screwdriver to replace the battery or check it out. So it's an old battery in here. So even though the battery expired on the 12th month of 2022, it still works great. Anyway, that's all there is to the battery here. Now what I'm going to do here is go outside, take the RPM reading on a Tachometer snowblower engine. I usually set the RPMs on those machines between 3,200 to 3,600 RPMs. And again, I'll take the reading by just putting the Tach here, this little part from the Tach right on the spark plug wire, and then I'll do a second test using the wire right here. So that's all there is to it, guys. You just put this by the spark plug or the spark plug wire, or you can use the wire and clamp it on like I did in the video. Now, the wire, I don't use it often, but it can be handy for tight spots where you cannot put the Tach in, especially if you're working on automotive or some outdoor equipment where it's really hard to get at the spark plugs. I like how you can plug it in and then you can remotely see the reading, you know, for about almost 3 feet here. It's really handy. I don't use it often, like I said, but sometimes it does really come in handy. So this video here is not a sponsored video. I will put a link to any website that I can find it on the internet. It'll be in the video description. And I think I paid under $100 for this like 15 years ago, so I'll imagine it's a lot more money today. Opama as well makes a good Tach. This one again is ES328 Plus. Have a look again. So if you Google it, you want to look for that model number of this Tach. Very reliable, guys. I've dropped it many, many times on the concrete floor in my shop. It's never failed me. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video has helped you and has answered your question as to what Tach you should get. Have a great day.